Now moving on, as part of the Joy of Giving Week, 40 special children received a very special gift from the Southern Railway. Sam Daniel has more.
A frenzy of excitement as the Nilgiri heritage train chugs along its mountain track, 7,000 feet above sea level. A gift from Southern Railways for 40 special children.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுறேன் சார். எல்லாம் ஜாலியா பண்றேன் சார்.
For many of these children, it's their first train journey ever. And on a heritage steam engine, it's clearly the trip of a lifetime.
First of all, I want to thank the Southern Railway Salem Division officials for this wonderful opportunity given for these special children.
Just another way how we could spread cheer by giving for a cause. This Joy of Giving Week. With Ananthakrishnan and Uti, Sam Daniel, 4India TV.